Hello, welcome back to another video. Guys, today in this video I am going to teach you how to small the desktop icons. This guys very easy and very simple method to small it. This guys here you can see is so big. You have to small it. This guys very easy and very simple method. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start our video. First, Control Shift plus 4. You can see it. Control Shift plus 4. This guy is very easy and very simple method to do it. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.